Let's learn table of 2. 2 multiplied by 0 is. Answer is 0. 2 multiplied by 1 is. Answer is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is. Answer is 4. 2 multiplied by 3 is. Answer is 6. 2 multiplied by 4 is. Answer is 8. 2 multiplied by 5 is. Answer is 10. 2 multiplied by 6 is. Answer is 12. 2 multiplied by 7 is. Answer is 14. 2 multiplied by 8 is. Answer is 16. 2 multiplied by 9 is. Answer is 18. 2 multiplied by 10 is. Answer is 20. What is 2 multiplied by 7? Write your answer in the comments. Like the video, subscribe the channel for more videos.